Good morning, MPA kids. It's Mrs. Egan. I gave you a lesson last week on 1-point perspective. Didn't get any back from you. That's okay. Let's give it another shot. I'm going to go through it with you step by step. This is a sample. 1-point perspective is challenging, but I really think if you keep at it and work it through, you can do this. So 1-point perspective simply shows you that things will get smaller the further they are away from the vanishing point. So a couple quick definitions. Vanishing point will be right in the center of your paper, and I'll show you in the drawing how all of these lines are coming off the vanishing point. So here we go. I'm going to put my vanishing point in the middle of the paper, which is right here. You can use a ruler or you can do it by eyeing it, whichever is easier for you. For this demonstration, I'm just going to show you this. So I'm going to go off the point, a vanishing point here, and I'm going to put an edge of my building that goes all the way to the end. Then here is the next line, off the point to here, and then I'm going to connect these. Okay, next I'm going to come off this one, this, and when I was explaining vertical to you, the vertical lines are the ones that go from top to bottom. Horizontal lines go from side to side. So the vertical lines are going to stay straight. It's these that go off the vanishing point. So here's this one, and there's like a triangle top. This comes off. Feel free to pause this at any time. Here's a horizontal line, so that's going to stay the same. Here's a vertical line, and I'll just do one more over here. Horizontal line stays in that direction. I'd say that is basic. So if you want to stop at this point, just pause it and then come back. So looks like I'll give you a few minutes. All right, everybody's back. We're going to add some side views to the building. So here are a couple others that are going right off the vanishing point. And then I'm adding these horizontal lines that go straight across. This is another side to the building, and that goes straight off with the vertical. This goes straight off here with the vertical line at the top. This one here. So you can make it as detailed as you want, but this is just copy paper, so try it out. Here's the last side view of a building. Okay. From there, you can add any of these views that you see on here. The horizontal lines they're gonna stay straight like this. The windows, if you're adding any, might look a little bit larger. At the bottom, as they go up away from you, they're gonna look smaller. On this building here, take a look at the top, how it's almost like an arrow. As you come down this building, you're gonna do the same thing. Okay. These here, you can add straight lines, or keep turning your paper around so that you get these lines. Well, here's a good one. Here's some horizontal lines, and then if you want to add some windows, you would kind of give it a slant like this off the point. Okay, I think this is basic enough. I just want to tell you that when I did the sky, and the sky is going to be all these areas in between the buildings, there's many ways to do it. I took crayons and colored in clouds and then went over it with watercolor at the top. You might use sunset colors. I'd like you to try and picture yourself downtown Chicago, laying on the sidewalk, looking up at this. You might feel a little dizzy. That's the whole fun of one-point perspective. It doesn't look like a flat piece of paper. If you want to add window washers, UFOs, airplanes, Spider-Man, you guys are the ones with the great imagination. So add anybody to that you want. So give it some practice. Try 2 or 3 times on here and then pick your favorite and add some color. Give it a try. I am planning to hear from you, so good luck. Bye.